Got the old elegoo here printing, ABS again. It's doing a bloody good job, so I'm really happy with it at the moment. So yeah, that's the ABS, and I have one of the Bamboo Lab A1s printing a lampshade made out of photos that I took while we were on holiday. This A1's having a break, and I think that I will be using the elegoo to do all my TPU, petg, ABS and anything else I can find to try. I'll do in this thing, and PLA I'll stick with the bamboos, but yeah, this printed okay. The PLA came out quite well, so yeah, we'll carry on, and this will print some, and it has a real fast speed too. Well, it has as much speed as these guys.